You are now locked in to the latest and the greatest on the Android system. This is the channel that gives you information every day in every way possible. Make sure you hit the like button on your way in and stay tuned for more videos just like this. It's your boy Serrano, and I'll see you right after these quick messages. Peace. Yo, what's good everybody? Today we're going to be doing a case giveaway for the LG Stylo 4. All the details will be in the video description section down below, and if you don't win, it's cool because there's always a link down below where you can actually get one of these cases. Just check out all the links in the video section down below. Now in this video I have 8 cases that I'm going to be giving away for the LG Stylo 4. Let me just put those off to the side and explain to you guys how it works and how you could actually qualify. So the first thing you want to do is be an active subscriber to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that like button and subscribe right now down below. Second thing you're going to do is hit my Instagram page up right now and follow me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram. Alright, so the third thing you're going to do is leave a direct message on my Instagram page, and you're going to comment down below in this video. Now the comment is going to say a number between 1 and 250, and after that you're going to put what case you want. I'm going to get into more detail right now about what cases I have to offer. So leave a comment for the case you want and leave a number between 1 and 250. So the first case is this brushed black matte dual layer case. Now the first thing you do is you take your Stylo 4 and you put it in the soft part. Then you go ahead and you attach the hard part. So basically it's dual layer, has really good protection, also has that screen protection so you don't scratch it when it's on a surface face down. You can see the cutouts are there, volume rocker, noise cancellation mic, and power button. So this is actually a really nice dual layer black matte case. Let's jump to the next one. Alright, so this next case here we're gonna call the black carbon fiber, because right here you can see that this is like a carbon fiber type look, but it just feels real smooth. It also has the brushed black black on black with that carbon fiber look to it. So when you just put it on, you can see right here it does have like a diamond logo, which is actually cool. Then you put it inside the LG Stylo 4, and it's got all the cutouts and it feels really good. Actually provides good lip protection as well as the other cases, and you know, all the buttons are going to work fine. So you know, this definitely feels really minimal. So this is actually really cool because it's minimal and it just provides a lot of protection as well. So, and it has a great look to it. So let's just jump right to the next case. Next one comes with screen protection, and it has this rose gold color right here. You can see all the cutouts. The best part about it is that it has this feature right here on the back that looks really cool, and that's like a really nice design. So it's definitely gonna, you know, be very eye-catching when you're out in public and you just want to sport a nice case for, you know, maybe one of the ladies here. So this one is called the rose gold case, and shout out to Casekey for providing this for the giveaway. So you know, all the buttons work on every case, none of them have any defects with the buttons. So that we'll just jump right to the next case. So this is the red glitter case right here. You can see it has rubber feeling, sort of plastic on the inside, but the outside right here is rubber, and then right here it has this like plastic glitter surface, so you just pop it inside of the LG Stylo 4 real easy. And it does have a lip for surface protection, as well as good grip on the sides with these little grippers here and all the cutouts. So we're gonna call this the red glitter case. Let's just jump to the next case. Now this case comes with screen protection as well. This is like a lilac purple. So this is like a really nice neutral color purple. Definitely guys can rock this one. And you just put the Stylo 4 in there. Actually this is a dual case, dual layer, so you can detach the soft part from the hard part, and then basically put the case in the soft part first and then just attach the other layer to it. So now you're getting double layer protection right here. So you can see right there it has the power button. Right here you do have the noise cancellation, volume up and down with a plus, and these buttons feel real good with that dual layer. These are actually, I like how this feels with the buttons. This is real nice. So I definitely like this color too. This is actually a really good color. And then you can see the cutouts here. Now we have another ladies case right here, but don't worry guys, I'm saving the best one for last. So right here you can see the screen protection. This one has a nice soft finish on the outside and inside, and it's really easy to get the Stylo 4 in there. You just click it in a few times on each corner and it's actually initiated. The buttons feel good. Everything works well. So you know, volume button, that thing works well, everything like that. All these cases have really good protection and really nice design and grip. So this is what you're getting with the glitter purple case. So we're going to call that the glitter purple right here. Now here is the glitter pink case. So it's just the same exact one as the glitter purple case. So we don't have to put that on, but just to show you, it is the exact same case, just a different color. But that brings me to the last case, which is the best one in my opinion, because it offers a screen protector, and then it offers, so this is really cool right here, because you can actually slide the case off of the holster. So it comes with a belt clip holster that just slides on. This is the case sliding into the holster right there, and that you can see this right here is actually really soft, so that has like a really like velvet type feel to protect the back of it. So you just clip this onto your pants and you got a holster. Now the really cool part is this is actually dual layer, and it does have a kickstand. So what you do is you pull this piece right up and then pop this down, and it actually stands up just like that. So when you put it on the Stylo 4, all you have to do is remove the first layer from the second layer. So just detach that on all sides, and then grab your Stylo 4 right here, place that inside of the dual layer case. You could actually rock this just like this, but the great part is it has these like finger grips right here. So when you're holding the phone right here, it just like sinks in, and these grooves, like actually when you're holding the phone, you're getting like a real solid feel. But the best part is like when you put this hard cover on the back just like this, and we're gonna snap it into place, you actually get like these little grooves right here to hold on to for when you're holding the phone in the back. So like these things, like when you're holding the phone and you have to reach across, you could actually use these grooves and little support grooves right here on the back to actually hold the phone and rest your fingers on. So it's actually, I really love this case. I was actually going to keep it, but I definitely want to let you guys enjoy all of the cases that Casekey did have to offer. So definitely leave a comment and follow all the instructions in the beginning of the video. You know, hit up my IG, leave a direct message, leave a comment, direct message, like, subscribe, become a member, active member of the channel. And in a few days, I would say within like 2 weeks, we will have 8 winners for these cases. So just make sure you stay locked in, and just follow all those rules so that you can actually qualify. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace.